Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, hi, my name is Neesa. And for my OGs, what's goody? How we doing today, guys? So today I'm back with another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring that bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. The Essential Real Technique collection for face, eyes, and cheeks. That's what it looks like. And it says for blush, foundation, shadow, and highlighter, and concealer. There's one sponge and 4 brushes. The Miracle Complexion Sponge, which is a soft, flexible foam, blends liquid and cream foundations into a luminous finish, and use dry for full coverage or damp for dewy glow. The 400 brush is next. It's the biggest one in the set, and this is for, it says blush, tapered, soft, fluffy bristles, blend powder blush evenly for a smooth, natural look. 200. This one. Expert Face. Firm bristles, buff liquid or cream foundation for glowing, flawless finish. And this says, I'm sorry, this is the 402. 402, it says setting. Soft, fluffy bristles, dust on highlighting or setting powder, precisely for natural looking illumination. Brush here, I love this purple, is the 300. The numbers are on right there. Deluxe crease, short, dense bristles, lay and blend cream or powder shadows, and builds concealers. I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation by Juvia. This is in the color Somalia 350. And it says, radiant, long-lasting, creamy, and comfortable. Our second skin creamy foundation offers a smooth application with a soft, natural, and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin, free from parabens, oil, and cyclopentadioxide. That stuff. There's directions on the side. Apply with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping and buffing motion all over the face. Full coverage. Ruffle. The Juvia Place I Am Magic Concealer. Conceal and Perfect. Our Magic Creamy Radiant Concealer soothes and cancels out dark circles, blemishes, and skin imperfections. Number 16. That's what that looks like. This is a huge doe foot applicator. I really don't use a lot of liquid concealer unless it's like a more glam look. So I'm going to tread lightly with this. That's all I'm going to use. The Deluxe Crease Brush. Just because this is a bit too much of a coverage for me, so I just want to blend that out. I'm using my Juvia Place and Kalahari. We're using the Real Techniques today, and I will gently pat this in. Using the NYX Matte Bronzer in the color Deep Tan. Beach Cosmetics in the number 7. Dusting off my face, and with this translucent powder. This is the 400 brush, which is the blush brush from Real Techniques. Perfect. So we used all the brushes and the sponge. I will also use the blush brush for my blush, just a little. Perfect. This was my MAC powder blush in the color Coopertone. See that 402 is good for highlighting, so I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and see how this works with the highlighter. I'm using Dripping in Gold. This is what my face looks like using all of the brushes. using Kat Von D. Her liquid lipsticks, I absolutely love every single one of them. This is the color Crucifix. And that's on the outer part of my lip. Oh, an arrow. So after about a minute of blotting, you get this. Also gives the illusion of like bigger, fuller lips, which is a plus. Wonder Mix pencil. Hi lovies, so we are back. It is the nighttime and I have worn my makeup all day. So just some final thoughts. I do actually very much like these brushes. The feel of them is really nice. They seem like good quality that will last longer. And I like how this brush blended my foundation. It gives you more of a full coverage than the sponge that I've been using, which I noticed has it says dewy highlight and contour. This is also a Real Techniques Miracle Sculpting Sponge. Maybe my makeup has been coming out dewy because of that brush. That sponge. Didn't really pay attention to that before. Anyway, I do like these. I like the way that this sponge blends more matte, as well as to pick up the powder and place it on it was just smoother. It grabbed the right amount of powder, and the evenness when you place it was much better than their sculpting, than their dewy highlight and contour sponge. I also like that with that my face stayed matte throughout the day. I didn't really see much sweatiness or greasiness showing through, and that's the way I like it. So all in all, I recommend these. I like them, especially as like a starter. I probably should have gotten these maybe before I got my Morphe brushes, but I went all in and got the Morphe. So if you're looking for something a little lighter, cheaper, that can still get the job done, I would choose these. I picked this up at Ulta. They were $19.99, and they always send out that coupon for the $3.50 discount. So I just used that and got them for like $16, I guess, $17 with tax. Any discount is better than none, you feel me? Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring that bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. You want to be notified. If you made it to the end of the video, comment hashtag everyday essentials down below. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for joining me and watching. Until next time, peace from Neesa.